Hi, my name is Connie Eberhardt, and I am a sexological body worker, sex and intimacy coach, and master trainer in the Erotic Blueprints, living here in Boulder, Colorado. And I've always been very intrigued about the work of Michaela Boehm. You may have seen her on Sex, Love, and Goop, along with Jaya and Ian. And then I met a fabulous woman, Danny Neifert, who is a facilitator of Michaela Boehm's methods and practices. And she's been working with her for years and assisting her at events. But anyway, so this Sunday is when I'm hosting, I'm not facilitating, I'm hosting Danny Neifert, who's going to facilitate the Attraction and Intimacy Workshop, which I'm very excited about. And I would love, hopefully she'll be doing this monthly, is my hope. I believe it's her hope as well. So here's a little more description and sharing from Danny to get a sense for who she is and why she does this. And please feel free to share this information with other couples, individuals. I would love to see you there. I would love to see you there. So here's some more from Danny.
Hi, my name is Danny, and I will be hosting the Intimacy and Attraction Workshop this Sunday in Boulder, and I want to get on and just kind of share a little bit about it. That when we come together like this as a community and we purposely create a safe learning container, it's like we have this big sandbox, and it's kind of like a mini laboratory where we can just get really detailed feedback. There's so much room to explore. And I really do think that this is the compost, this rare compost that's needed for learning. Like I mentioned before, that, we just don't make time for in ordinary life because we're all have too many things on our list to do. And what makes these set of practices, I guess, unique in a certain way is that they have been road tested and procured specifically by Michaela Boehm. And all of this, of course, is in the context specifically and exactly with polarity and the polarity between the masculine and feminine poles. And so, of course, I should mention now, this event is not a straight dedicated event. All genders are welcome. Queer couples, we would love to have you. And everyone is welcome. But we also just practice with masculine and feminine poles, which each one of us has. So it works out really well. We do our best to gender balance the room, and of course keep couples together if you choose to do so. There's some of the exercises where it's actually more interesting for some of them if you mix in the group and get feedback from somebody other than your partner. And this is just sort of like a somatic heaven for people. So I hope you can join us.